Hello everyone, Checkmate here. Today I will teach you how to remove, add, move, rotate and resize the object in Blender. First of all, this is our mouse. We can click on an object and select it like this. When we select the object, it converts into a yellowish color like this. There is a yellowish line over it. To remove it, I start some keys so you can see what keys I am pressing at these corners. To remove it, select the object and press X. When you press X on the keyboard, this menu will appear. Here you can press on delete and it will delete the object. Let's get back the object by Ctrl G. Now to move it, first of all select the object and now press G on your keyboard. When you press G on your keyboard, this orange line will convert into white line like this. Now the object is selected and you can move the object anywhere with your mouse like this. Now the object is moving in 3 dimensions. Let's press right key to get it reset. If you want to move the object in a particular direction such as X, Y or only G, then what you can do is press the object, press G. Now we can move it, and now press the key in which direction you want to move it, such as X. Now the object will only move in X direction. If you press Y, the object will only move in Y direction. And similarly, if you press Z, the object will only move in Z direction. Now to resize it, you can press the object and now press S. S is for size. Press S and now you can resize it bigger or smaller like this. If you want to increase or decrease the size in a particular direction only, for that the process is similar to the moving. Select the object, press S and now press the key in which direction you want to move, that is X like this, or Y like this, or Z like this. Now to rotate the object, you can press again and press R for rotate. Now the object is rotating in a 3 dimension. To have a better control, you can rotate the object in a certain direction, that is X. Now it is only rotating X as an axis. Now Y and Z. If you want to freely rotate it, then only press R. Thank you. That's all for today.